first ever, well, not my first ever, this is my second, but this is a like burgundy, darkish, burgundy-ish color makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really like it. I just want to do something that's gonna fit like the weather is dark outside, it's cold, like, so I just did like this like look, and I hope that you guys really like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and many more videos coming soon. Thank you for the support. Be going where I go now. Like, life is just crazy, and life is full of ups and downs, and you know, life has so many like things to offer. So if you can make things happen in 24 hours, imagine making things happen in like 5 to 6 years. Like, things are so possible in this life, and I feel like we underestimate the power of living. I'm getting too deep on here. Y'all not ready for that. Y'all not ready. I could get deeper if I was. I could get deeper. I could. follow me on Instagram and follow our brand, Ma'am the Brand, on Instagram, and also making a Twitter soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But hope you guys like this look and many more looks, and comment below, tell me what you like or what you don't like, or you know, I just need some type of feedback. But yeah, thanks.